$300 just received today. And right here another $600. And that's a total of $900 deposit right into your account. We are not discussing any rubbish or any point system. We are talking about big money, real cash and cool hard money. There is no selling required, no referral system, no social media followers as well as no surveys. Just watch this video, complete a couple of steps in less than 5 minutes and you can withdraw your cash starting today. Don't worry, because this is entirely cost-free. You don't need to invest any money in any way to begin it. Of course, this is available worldwide in all the countries on the world. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video, you will be notified. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you have any concerns, questions or opinions about the video, leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Now a website that I want to show you today, which is ClearVoice. Now we can go on to clearvoice.com. But it is highly crucial to keep watching until the end to discover everything before trying it out on your own. Basically, this is a 100% legit company that they are hiring now, as well as they are going to pay you cash every single day. And don't worry, you don't need any previous experiences in tech skills. Every little thing is very simple and I also reveal to you right now exactly how to do it. Now, when you go on to the homepage of clearvoice.com, I desire you to scroll down to the extremely bottom of this website. I want you to search for this web link, as you can see here, for freelancer. And I desire you to click on that link where they are most likely to take you via this page to sign up to become a freelancer. Also, you can merely upload articles on these websites as well as you can get paid. And that's exactly how you can make over $900 on this website. You can see your $300 as well as right here another $600. Now, as you can see right here, people from different countries of the world can generate a decent constant income every month on this website. People from United States, from United Kingdom, Australia, Philippines, Nigeria, Bangladesh, India, actually all countries on the planet can earn money on this website. So all you need to do is to place your first name, last name and click this button to finish a really simple registration process. Now from there, once you log into your account, you are able to see your username right on the top. As you can see here, username Sophia Adams is my username. Currently, right here, you have done to complete your profile. So, there you are going to upload your profile photo. As well as from there, I can see your progress. And then I'm 70% finished on my profile. And also, in just a moment, I will show you just how I can copy and paste different articles where provided for your articles. Short them and post them right here on the top of your profile. And you could begin making $100, $200, even $300. As you can see below, these are different profiles of various other people. Let me show you one of the examples. Let's state and we will be looking at a profile right from Ben Beck. You can click on this to view this CV, which will take you to this page to see here, and that's your username and that's the profile photo. Once more, you could be anonymous. You don't need to upload your actual profile picture. You can upload any images to represent yourself. Once you reach this page, scroll down and find various articles posted by this person. You can see below and that's separating them into different categories. For example, employment and entrepreneurship. And also, these are all different blog posts and various articles. Or rather, when I scroll down below, look at other different categories for it. However, insurance, interior design, and more. As well as each of these articles and blog posts that are revealing on their profile. They will get paid every day. Since there are many people, they will go on to ClearVoice and try to find various articles and various blog posts. They are going to search in different categories for it regarding finance, healthcare, software, and also there are various categories. They will merely check out on other profiles. When they click on them, read the articles as well, and you can make money. Don't worry and don't have to create any of these articles. I will show you a personal website where you can get provided for your free articles. It can merely copy and also paste as well as post them up right here on your profile. Once again, I will reveal to you exactly how to upload them and you can start making money literally starting today. So right now, I desire you to go on to the second website, which is killerplrarticles.com. Basically, on this website, you can locate it for new private levels content articles that we can copy and paste. And they are copyright free for commercial uses. You can resell the articles, you can repost them, you can utilize it in any way that you desire. And that's the beauty of PLR articles. Now, as you can see, you are right on this website. They have different categories. For example, arts and entertainment, computer and technology, education, beverage, and that's exactly what we are trying to find. The even more categories that they have and also the more articles that we can repost and re-upload on clearvoice.com, the more cash we are able to make, much like this girl. They are posting here different articles and various blog posts and different categories. And this guy is making hundreds if not thousands of dollars on Clearvoice. We can do exactly the same point. But we have to find the best articles and upload them on our profile and see exactly how to do it at the end of the video. So once more, on this website, Killer PLR Articles, you can discover various categories of articles to copy and paste. Once more, this is 100% cost free, no investment is needed. Now let's claim if you are going to concentrate on the arts and entertainment category. We can click this celebrities PLR articles, click this web link and that's going to take you to this web page where you can locate different articles. As an example, this one you can see right here 690 words and that's another article's addition to fame and celebrity over 1926 words. As well as I desire you to imagine, for every single one of these regular articles and people are selling or charging for plans of hundreds of dollars. As well as you can get them free of charge right here on this website. And they are extremely high quality. A lot of them are having hundreds and thousands of words. And take a look at this. Continue for pages and pages for various articles that you can get on this website. I presume this is one single subcategory. You can repeat this and 5 different articles on various other significant categories as you can see right here. Currently, let's state if I click on any one of these articles, for example this, and that's going to take me to this page where I can have a preview of the entire article and over 690 words. You can see here the full PLR articles right here till the end. And you can download this full PLR articles by just signing up for a cost-free account. Now all you have to do is click this web link, click here to sign up and that's going to take you to this page where you can produce a free lifetime account. So place in your full name, email address and password and you can click this button to give me free access now. So now all you need to do is go back to your profile on clearvoice.com and we have to re-upload and repost those articles right into our profile. Currently, all you need to do is to click on this link as you can see here. At content, click on this green button and that's actually copy and paste the URL link of the articles right into this box. Or can merely click on this button to upload any file from your phone or your computer. So right now, you can see here we have successfully uploaded the entire articles that I get for free. As you can see right here, celebrities, PR articles, which are the entire articles, uploaded them on Clearvoice and it was good. I just got this from this website. You can see your killerplrarticles.com and that's the same article that I'm utilizing. So right now, if I uploaded the articles, the following thing that you can do is fill out some information concerning this article. That the first thing they are going to do is to choose a category from this particular article. Now from there, you can click this down arrow and you need to scroll down below and search for this. As you can see, entertainment and under celebrity. Click that and which is exactly how we can choose a classification for your article. And also moving on to the second question, primary role. We need to click on this down arrow and we intend to pick on this choice, which is a writer. Now very crucial, make sure placing the ideal information to get accepted as well as your articles will be published on your profile and also you can start to generate income. So from there, the content type. You can either select from articles or blog post. As you can see right here, in this case, I will pick an article. Currently, for this section, ensure to choose public content. Now, it's extremely really vital. If you don't select this category, people will certainly not locate them when searching on the website or Google. So make sure to select that options right here so that your articles become public and people can view your profile and read out your articles. You are going to get paid. And also finally, for the description, you can copy the title of your articles. As you can see right here, it's very simple. We can do it in less than 2 or 3 minutes. So today, all you need to do is click this update button right here. As you can see, your content piece is successfully saved on your profile. So right here, you can see that I have 1 article, 2 articles or 3 articles right here on my profile. And the more articles that I upload on my profile, the more money I can make. So a lot of people are doing this exact technique today. A lot of people, they are setting up their brand new accounts on clearvoice.com. This is simply one of the examples that I do wish to share with you. Few people are uploading different articles and categories and simply re-uploading additional articles and various blog posts and making huge cash on this website. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to drop a like, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Leave your comments down below and that's it for now. I will see you in some of my following videos.